In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your MacBook is not showing any Wi-Fi connections. So if you can't see the Wi-Fi symbol at the top here, or you can see it but there's no networks listed down here, then what you need to do to fix this is come over to the Apple icon in the top left-hand side of the screen, click on System Preferences, and then from here, click on Network. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure location is set to automatic, like so. And down in the left-hand column, you need to make sure you have Wi-Fi listed here. If you can't see Wi-Fi in this list, then all you need to do is just click on the plus icon in the bottom down here. Select the drop-down next to Interface and select Wi-Fi. Then you just need to give this service a name. Doesn't really matter what you call it. I'm just going to call it Wi-Fi 3 and click Create. Now, once you've created this service, first of all, make sure the status is set to on, like so. You can just click this button here to turn it on. Then you need to come down to Network Name, and this is where you select your network. So just go ahead and connect to the network you're trying to connect to. Then make sure Automatically Join this network is turned on, and also make sure Show Wi-Fi Status in Menu Bar is also checked at the bottom. And once you've applied all of these changes, you can press Apply at the bottom, and then you can close out of this window, and that should have fixed any issues where the Wi-Fi wasn't showing on your MacBook. You may need to restart your computer, but it should just work straight away. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.